Welcome to the Green Pyramid Energy Tech channel. I'm going to talk about changing the sensing distance of the My Health automatic sanitizer dispenser. So first make sure the machine is turned on using the power switch down below. When the machine turns on, you can see a blue light that comes on briefly before it goes off. Now in the second step, what you do is you press the two dose adjust buttons at the same time. So make sure you don't take the hand from under the sensor because that will dispense some liquid. So take it from the other side where you have these stickers. So you press both these buttons together till you hear a loud beep. So I'm going to do that. So the loud beep tells you that the machine is now in calibration mode. And what you will see is you will see the blue light flashing. That tells you that the currently selected mode is to change the distance. To select the mode, press the minus button of the dose adjust. So I'll do that. Now what happens is the machine is in a mode that lets you adjust the distance. Now to try out the current distance, what you do is you take the hand up slowly like this, and you notice that the current trigger distance or the sensing distance is at this level. Now if you're not happy with this distance, or let's say you take the machine to where it is very bright, then you will notice that the sensitivity might go down a little bit, which means you will have to take the hand to a much closer distance. So if you don't like that, what you do is you come into this mode, and now to adjust the distance, just use the plus and minus button, and you can keep it pressed because the reading will change slowly. So I'm going to keep the plus button pressed for some time, and every step you will hear a short beep. So I'm going to increase it by maybe about 20 steps, and then you can immediately check if it is to your satisfaction. So now if you see the machine has turned on here, I can increase it a little bit more by again pressing this button. Let's check what the current behavior is. Okay, so let's say I'm happy with this particular distance. Note that if you increase it to far too much of a value and you have some surface at the bottom, the machine will turn on by itself because there's always enough light bouncing off. So make sure that either there is nothing underneath it, or you adjust the trigger distance so that it just doesn't come on automatically. Now that if you're happy with the setting, just press both the dose adjust buttons again together like you did to come into the mode. And when you do that, you will hear a loud beep that tells you that the values have been saved and that the machine has come back into the regular operation. So now if you see, I will give you a demo. So now the machine has adjusted itself to this distance. Other thing to note is if you come into the calibration mode by pressing both the buttons together, and you leave the machine in that same mode without adjusting anything for about a minute, there is a safeguard where the machine will come out of the calibration mode by itself. You will hear a beep and the machine will start functioning itself properly. Now during adjustment, if you're not happy with the setting, you can simply turn off the machine and then turn it back again, and then the machine is operating as usual. There is another video that I have created that lets you reset the machine back to the factory conditions. And so if you're not happy with any setting and you just want to come back to the original setting, follow the video, and then you will be able to reset the machine back. So hopefully you found it useful. Thank you. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and till next time. Thank you.